channel. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of you guys. Yay! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yay! Wow!
6 hours later.
It's almost midnight of the 24th of December. It's Christmas time. But it's so quiet. Oh, look at the moon up there. Merry Christmas, everyone. That's the box that I'm gonna do unboxing, guys. So I will show you what's inside. I am so excited! Yay! That's huge box there, guys. Merry Christmas! No celebration, but we just trying to enjoy the Christmas because I have a huge gift over here. It's bigger than me. Yay. Ta-da! Ta-da! My boy. Oh, look. It's bigger than you.
That's my gift to you, Mom. You want to open it, see what it is?
Thank you, son. Wait lang.
It's a cell phone.
I'm gonna do. It's a cell phone.
It's a cell
Wow.
phone, yeah.
What a huge cell phone it is.
Yep.
Yes. Excited. What's inside?
Cell phone.
What's inside? Cell phone?
Okay, you got me. It's a pencil.
Wow. What a surprise, huh?
Open
How
it.
much did you spend now? How much? Okay, so
Let's see.
guys, this is I'm gonna do unboxing with my boys Christmas gift, surprise Christmas gift for me. So we'll see, guys. I'm so excited what's inside,
Okay.
but I know that I can use this. Thank you so much, son.
Wanted to make sure you got something useful. Because I know you need it, so.
Yeah.
Everybody needs a cell phone.
So I think I know what's inside.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious, I think.
Yeah, because I cannot carry it. I think, you know, guys, every time he look at the ref and he asks for, where is the ice? Why I don't have ice? The ref, actually, my ref is full of meat and fish. So there is no space for ice. So he did notice that. So now I think I know what did he get from me for Christmas.
It's a cell phone.
So this is very useful, guys, and I'm so happy and thankful for
You
the
have to
boys.
open it first to make sure.
Yeah.
What if it's not even a
I know what it is. I can feel because I've been telling him that, oh my God, when I get the money, I will buy a small freezer.
It's a freezer?
Yeah, I think it
Hey,
is.
maybe I should have got a freezer. Why did I get a cell phone?
Not a cell phone. Yeah, so I think it is because this is bigger than me. I cannot even carry it.
So open it then.
Alright, guys, so we'll see. Ta-da! Yeah, I don't wanna rip it off. Yeah. Yay! Oh my God! Look at that.
Oh, Apple.
Apple. Wow. What's that say? Yay! This freezer, guys. Look. Yay! I'm even fit here, guys. Look. I only need a small one.
Yeah, but this is like the second smallest. The smallest one is a 3.5.
I
I
said,
think this is a 5.
yeah.
I wanted to get this thing para sakto na you can fit
Oh
everything.
my God. So thank you, na. I was just saying that when I get the money, I will get the small one, like around like that. So at least I can just put some.
Second to the
But
smallest.
this is very big. Look, it's even almost the same as height as me. Yay! Okay, let me get the.
Look at the knife.
Yeah, the knife son or the what do you call this?
The scissors are not good.
Scissors, yeah. Oh, I should. Yeah, okay. Wow, son. Really, guys, every time him and his brother give me a gift, it's like jewelry, necklace. Last year, you give me a necklace. No,
A ring.
A ring. Last year, him and his brother get me this ring that I always wear. That people think I'm married because I always wear this ring. And this Christmas,
It's different this year because of the situation. It's been a hard year for a lot of people.
yeah. So
So I wanted to get something that's useful. And she's been
Yes.
talking so much about how she wants to get one.
yes,
And it's kind of expensive, so I decided to get it.
guys, I don't have a gift for my boys, but I think
You're the gift one.
yeah, thank you,
Wow.
son.
Oh my god! Wow!
All the time, I was saying to myself like that. As soon as I get the money, I will get my freezer. So I have it, guys. And thank you so much, son. I love you.
Love you, Lord.
Alright, so
We're gonna
there
get
it
it out.
is. There it is, guys. Oh, careful before I break my little Christmas tree.
The hell you get it out.
Yoo-hoo.
It's pretty big,
Oh
actually.
my God, Nak!
It's like the big one talaga.
Why did you... Yay!
It's like the one we have in Dad's plate at Dad's house.
Yay! Thank you so much, son. God, look at this, guys. I wish I could,
Show it a little bit.
Look the beauty of it. Oh. Okay, so we need to take. You can put. I think you can put what's.
There's a
one
table
needs
for
to
it.
be very, very careful.
Yeah.
And break this one. Oh my God, that's a lot of meat na.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, that it's nice, clean,
Yeah,
new.
very nice. Yay! Look.
I think this is supposed to be the light. That's nice.
Yeah. So, ay,
Bloopers!
wait lang. Wait, okay. There's from... Yay! Yes! Alright, that's it. We need to keep the box now. Cool. We need to put everything here.
Nice.
Wow. Beautiful. We have something to use na for all our meat. Oh, thank you so much, son.
I'm just gonna figure out where to put it.
Wow. Yeah, I know. This is the problem, guys. Like, our space in my condo is not that big, so I don't know. We need to figure it out where to put this. So
You can put it inside the fridge.
yeah, maybe. But maybe if not, I need to put it in
In
my
your
room.
room. You have your own freezer in your room.
Careful, careful. I need those little things there.
You don't need the
No, not the
that stuff inside the bed. There's a key. You can lock it.
Oh yeah, I need to lock it from you. So you cannot get the hot dog.
Hot dog. Oh, there's a handle. You gotta have an on screw this in now. Here, yeah. Here's the lock. You gotta screw it in
Yeah.
and have it locked there.
Tata guys, there's the key. You can lock it and
It's actually a really good model.
I
Satisfied.
see.
Worth the money.
So expensive.
Yeah, but at least this one will last longer since it's new.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay, so where are we gonna... Okay, that's it guys, look. I mean, they cannot really see it like from down. See? See that guys? Almost as my height. Thank you so much, son. Thank you so much. Mwah.
Love you, Mom.
I love you. Wow, this is very useful.
You gotta take up that sticker though.
Yeah.
You're sponsored.
It's okay. That's not a sponsor.
It's like
Sponsored by my
your business
voice.
edge.
Yeah.
Done.
Thank you so much, son. Alright. Okay, so that's it, guys.
Say goodbye. Sign out.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance to everybody, guys, and to my boys. Thank you so much. And Merry Christmas again and advance and Happy New Year, guys. Thank you. I love you, son.
Love you, Mom.
Bye-bye. See you guys. Guys, I have my new freezer. Look. Oh. So guys, this is good for my my cooking, my you know that I save food and I cook, so this is perfect. Very good idea, my boys. Thank you so much. Wow. So happy. So thankful that my boys give me this because I really need this. Oh, sorry, I forgot. My eldest get me this. He ordered it from Lazada, guys. One of his Christmas gift. See? When I go to the beach, I can't wait, guys. This is very nice. The sun won't go into my feet. So this is very nice. Right, guys. I love it. Yay! I can't wait to go to the beach and wear them. Come on, guys. Wow, I love it so much. I love my shoes.
Merry Christmas! Yay!
Hey, what's that, Nak? Wow, thank you so much. You really...
This is me.
Yeah? Thank you so much, son. Wow. You really surprised me. Thank you so much. My son surprised me. My God.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, son. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Love you, Mom.
I love you. Thank you so much for the gift. Look. Hi. 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 So huggable. So soft. Hello. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year, guys. Bye. See you again. Okay, so I'm done. As you can see, guys, this Christmas is like I don't really like celebrate as like the past years because as you know, guys, everyone is suffering at the moment. It's not a good year for me because you know my business has been affected of this pandemic, but I still have to be thankful that I am healthy and I am working as hard as I can so I can survive my business, and I can survive the everyday living. So I'm still thankful of that. And even though I have no blessings that I can share with my family and people that I care, I am hurtful that I don't have something to share to them, but I hope that they could understand me, and I'm still thankful that we are guys are alive, and we are here and still breathing, you know. That is the most important at this time. So bawi na lang tayo for the next year, and I hope that the 2021 will get better for all of us. So thank you so much, my boys, for this what you get for me, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. And to all of you guys out there, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. And I hope this coming year 2021 will be better for all of us, and God bless you all, and thank you so much. Bye guys for now, and I'll see you again on my next video. And to those who haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do subscribe, and please leave a comment below, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye! Thank you guys!